This is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm in Newtown at Newtown Park, and I'm going to go for a little stroll and show you around. So, Newtown Park is in the heart of Newtown, about, let's say, a 5-minute walk from Newtown Station, or directly across the road pretty much there's a pub. There's a few other pubs within walking distance, like 5 minutes away. What else can I say about the place? They have the Newtown Festival here, which is always a good day out. They've got, looks like a mad sand pit and kids play area. Give you a quick look at that. So if you wanted to take the kids for a play, you could do that. It's got a big field if you want to kick a ball around or throw a frisbee. I'm not sure if you can quite see, I haven't really walked past anyone yet. But a lot of people come here and just sit around with their friends, have a few beers, sometimes throw a frisbee, lie in the sun. Occasionally people sell some clothes and stuff. At the moment there's some people over there selling some second-hand clothes or something. A whole lot more people sitting around in little groups. Down here is where they have the stage for the Newtown Festival. And along where I'm walking, they have lots of stalls selling different items and stuff. There's actually a cemetery in the middle of the park, just behind that wall, but yeah, I might be able to take you for a little stroll over there and show you what it looks like in there. There's a lot of graffiti along the wall, but it's all really terrible. In another video, I'll show you some of the good spots and back alleys and stuff in Newtown where there's actually some good art. So that's pretty much Newtown Park. Once again, this is a Pandemic Traveller video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that might be interested in my videos or seeing some of Sydney, please let them know. Also, if you want to leave a comment, let me know. If there's anything you'd like to ask me or any places you'd like me to go. Thanks for watching. Peace out, Pandemic Traveller.